KOSPI has collapsed -5.81% to $8,411.21, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, June 28th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,354.02. Equity markets are responding to reports that tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, The New York Times. NASDAQ 100 is down -1.09%, trading at $29,118. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off, Investors Business Daily. Dow Jones is little changed, hovering near $51,876. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. DAX is down -1.29%, trading at $24,671. The move follows reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off, Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 is trading lower by -0.21%, at $10,508. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, surged +5.71% to $372.97. Azure AI services revenue is the key number. Each point of acceleration in cloud growth translates directly into a higher earnings multiple. Copilot enterprise adoption is still early innings, but the renewal rate data from the sales force is encouraging. Any guidance upgrade on cloud segment margins would be the catalyst for the next leg up. Samsung plunged -5.30% to $339,500 in a significant session. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any NVIDIA or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Rocket Lab surged +4.77% to $84.54 in a significant session. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst for the stock. Goldman Sachs made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.27% to $1,019.61. Investment banking fee recovery is the core thesis. The M&A and IPO pipeline is the most active since 2021. Trading revenues remain elevated given rate and FX volatility. Any large IB mandate announcement would be a direct catalyst. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off, Investors Business Daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $72.60 per barrel, down 3.53% on the session. This comes as stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude plunged to $69.23 per barrel, down 3.74% on the session. This comes as stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas dropped sharply to $3.28, down 1.91% on the session. The move follows reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off, Investors Business Daily. Gold climbed to $4,096.30 per troy ounce, up 1.63% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by why has gold declined despite escalating geopolitical tensions, caveat Ari. Let us give you our near-term view on KOSPI. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for KOSPI is around $7,906.54. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.31% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.32, gaining 0.24% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 161.69, losing 0.07% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that higher oil prices from the war in the Middle East, assessing the headwinds for euro area growth. European Central Bank. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.